Hey, good evening, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. The first thing you want to notice, this was erroneous data on Sunday. I don't know how it got in there. Let's take a look. You can see we have a spinning top that formed. We are above the 20-day moving average, which is a good thing. So we've closed Friday and Monday above the 20-day. The T8 is at 8,070. So we're going to need to hold that 8,000 level on the T8 basis. And then we have our 50-day moving average right about the 8,500 level, and that is at the 50% retracement area. Let's take a look at a couple of our checkups. The Chande chart checkup is what we'll go to first. Overall prices are, of course, still biased as downwards. Short-term prices are stalling, and intermediate they are trending and trending sideways. The upper bound is 88.27, and the projected lower bound is 76.90 right now on the Chande chart checkup. Our Rex Tagasuji profile, we'll take a look at that next. Dow was again down about 12 points today. Volume was 18% below average though, and the Bollinger Bands now are 66% narrower than normal, so we're getting into a Bollinger Band squeeze. The technical outlook is short-term is overbought, intermediate and long-term are bearish. The Dow is currently 20.3% below its 200 period moving average, which is in a downward trend. Volatility is relatively normal compared to the average volatility over the past 10 periods. In the volume indicators are showing volume in and out of the Dow at relatively equal pace, so it's in a neutral zone right now. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish, and it has been this outlook for the past 17 periods. Let's go look at the support and resistance shorter term. The Dow broke the upside resistance of 81.84, and we're just barely hanging on to that, and that happened 2 days ago, which is a bullish sign. The longer term support and resistance is at, the up above, downside broke above the support, which is now resistance at 83.76, and that was 18 days ago. So look at that above our head as a sticking point. So we're in a bearish sign on a longer term resistance area. Now let's take a look at, let's just pick one. Let's pick the MACD. The MACD is currently bullish and is trading above its signal line. That crossed 2 periods ago, of course, in that big move that we had on Friday. So again, it's in a bullish divergence occurred, and just over the signal line. So that's it today for the Dow directions. We'll have to take a look and see what happens tomorrow with the banking unveiling of what they're going to do, and watch out for the stimulus package. Let's see what comes out of Congress. We'll have to see, is this built in, or is the attitude going to be that everything's rosy from here and we head upwards? I think we have possibly will test the lows, but hey, who am I to say? We just read the charts. We're going sideways right here, but watch out for a test of the lows sometime in the near future. Thanks. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow night.